Hi, it's Mike here with another quick tech talk. This time I want to answer in 3 minutes the question, what is virtualization? We could be talking about server virtualization or application virtualization. In fact, the term is applied at several different layers within the computing models and the application architectures that we use every day. So what is virtualization? Well, the term virtual is used a lot in the IT business. It just basically means something that's real is being replaced by something that is software-based or virtual. The idea of virtualization is to use the I/O, the input-output that we would normally communicate with a device, and have it, instead of talking to the components within a device, a physical electronic piece of equipment, we have it talk to other software. And that software then emulates the behavior, the responses and the actions, just like real hardware. So when we create a software object that's acting like a physical object, that's virtualization. Now, why would we do this? Well, the idea is principally, like many things we do in the IT business, to save money. You see, when we do distributed application architectures, we're dividing the roles and the different components of an application into different tiers, which generally run on different hosts. For instance, the basic client-server model, part of the application runs on a client computer, and the other part runs on a server computer. With interior application development, there may be many different levels. When we do service-oriented architecture, we may have a different service running on a different host, and all it does is act as a black box, receiving input and generating output to behave in a larger virtual application. Which brings us back to the word virtualization. Whenever we're using these software components to execute roles, we then are decoupling the behavior of our system from the characteristics of the supporting hardware. And once we can decouple the software from the hardware as far as the behavior of the system, well, then we can do all sorts of things. We become more flexible, more scalable. We can put things in the cloud. Once we start virtualizing, we create an environment where scalability, flexibility, and interoperability are turned up to 11. We have the ability to completely eliminate the dependency on a particular computer or a particular host or a particular set of equipment. We can even get to the point where the underlying hosts are irrelevant and do what we call serverless computing. Stay tuned, we'll talk more about that later. But whether we're dealing with serverless computing or containerized or abstract applications where different components are running on different systems and we really don't even know what's beneath any given system, and we can even swap out equipment and swap out different components, well, all of that is achieved through virtualization. It's a decoupling of the behavior of hardware by making it respond based on software objects, virtual hosts, virtual computers, virtual machines, virtual systems. Well, that's just a quick, short 3-minute summary of what we mean by the term virtualization. I hope you enjoyed it. If you can, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Take care.